Hi, I'm Holly with American General Life Insurance Company. Thanks for learning more about quality of life insurance, truly life insurance you don't have to die to use. At its core, quality of life insurance is about protecting your loved ones with stable, steady life insurance in the event of your death. And the Quality of Life Insurance suite of products also features the Select Choice Accelerated Benefit Rider, which can provide you with money to help meet important needs if you experience a qualifying illness or condition. AGLA Choice Guarantee Plus, one of the universal life products in the Quality of Life Insurance suite, offers a life insurance death benefit that is guaranteed to policy maturity. And our Guarantee Plus policy also offers another valuable rider, the Customer Choice Lifestyle Income Rider, which we'll discuss in just a minute. First, let's talk about the need for guaranteed life insurance. Families who are just starting out may choose to purchase a combination of universal life and term coverage. Term insurance is basic, so it frequently helps to meet basic needs. For instance, people often purchase term life insurance to help cover a mortgage or to help pay their children's college tuition in the event of a premature death. As people get older, they may no longer have a need for temporary coverage. Many older adults in their 50s or 60s and beyond have often paid off their debts, and their children are through college and are supporting themselves. As people continue to live longer, the need for life insurance to help protect their loved ones from inflation, longevity risk, and market risk after their death remains. AGLA Choice Guarantee Plus is designed to help meet your ongoing permanent financial security needs. It offers guaranteed life insurance protection at an affordable premium, so you can still protect your family's lifestyle, but in a cost-effective way. And with the Customer Choice Lifestyle Income Rider, you can also help to protect yourself against the possibility of outliving your retirement income. This rider was developed to help Americans preserve their standard of living. It provides the option to receive a living benefit to help supplement your retirement. Whether you use this benefit or not is up to you. It's there if you need it, but if not, then your full life insurance benefit can pass to your beneficiaries upon your death. That's why we call it the Customer Choice Lifestyle Income Rider.
I think having a rider on your life insurance policy, providing some income for you at a later time in your life when you're trying to maintain some financial independence is great. Also gives you the death benefit so that if you were to pass, you won't be a burden on others in your family, and might even provide some income for them after you're gone. So I think it's a great combination between being able to get some financial independence as well as having a death benefit.
Here's a hypothetical example of how AGLA Choice Guarantee Plus can work using both the Select Choice Accelerated Benefit Rider and the Customer Choice Lifestyle Income Rider. Daniel and Terry are in their 50s and have entered a new stage in their lives. Their children are grown and have started families of their own. They've done well financially and lead a very active and healthy lifestyle. Daniel and Terry are looking forward to retirement, yet they're both concerned about having an ongoing income stream to live comfortably throughout their senior years. This concern is a valid one. Americans are living longer than ever before. Average life expectancy is now 78.5 years, and it's been on the rise for the past decade. And doctors say that not only is lifespan increasing, but more importantly, the active lifespan is increasing as well. People aren't just living longer, they're living better. Daniel and Terry are proof of this and enjoy a healthy, active lifestyle. Daniel and Terry have 401k plans through their employers, but due to market fluctuations, their values aren't as high as they would have hoped. They also know that any major medical event could potentially disrupt their retirement plans. They meet with their insurance agent to go over their existing insurance policies and to think about what kind of insurance they need for the future. They have a combination of term and universal life coverage. Their term policies are expiring soon, and Daniel and Terry know their existing universal life policies alone won't be sufficient to meet their ongoing life insurance needs. Their agent explains that the company offers several universal life products that can help meet various needs at different stages in their lives. Generally, universal life products offer flexible premiums and flexibility in how the policies can be used. If there isn't enough cash surrender value in the policy to cover the cost maintaining it, it's possible that coverage will lapse. Their agent reminds them that adequately funding a universal life policy is ultimately the responsibility of the policy owner. Daniel and Terry are impressed with the guaranteed life insurance benefit that AGLA Choice Guarantee Plus can provide. The innovative living benefits protection against qualifying critical, chronic, or terminal illnesses offered through the accelerated benefit rider is also very appealing. And if they're fortunate enough to remain healthy, the benefits of the Customer Choice Lifestyle Income Rider are very appealing as well. Overall, Daniel and Terry appreciate the fact that AGLA Choice Guarantee Plus helps eliminate uncertainty so that Daniel and Terry can be confident that their coverage can be there when they need it most. After they work with their agent to complete a thorough needs analysis, Daniel and Terry each purchase a $250,000 policy with the Customer Choice Lifestyle Income Rider. Each of them designates half of their coverage as the withdrawal benefit basis under the Customer Choice Lifestyle Income Rider to provide for withdrawal benefits in the future. They also both choose to purchase the optional Defined Accelerated Benefit under the Select Choice Accelerated Benefit Rider at the level of 10% of their policy, or $25,000. A few years later, Daniel suffers a debilitating stroke that leaves him unable to perform 2 of the 6 activities of daily living, as described in his policy. Daniel and Terry need money to help pay medical bills and expenses. Faced with immediate financial needs, Daniel files a claim under his Select Choice Accelerated Benefit Rider. The company determines that Daniel qualifies, and Daniel receives $25,000 as his Defined Accelerated Benefit, which is 10% of his applicable life insurance coverage. This is the amount Daniel chose when he purchased the policy. In addition to the defined benefit, Daniel also chooses to exercise the flexible accelerated benefit provided by his policy. There is no additional cost for this benefit because it's based on how your qualifying condition affects your life expectancy. Daniel accelerates an additional $50,000 of his life insurance coverage and accepts the company's offer of $15,000, giving him a total of $40,000 in accelerated benefits. Remember, acceleration means that Daniel elects to receive a portion of his life insurance benefit now, before his death, which reduces his life insurance coverage and policy values. Of course, Daniel's remaining $175,000 life insurance coverage is still in place and is guaranteed. These cash benefits help Daniel and Terry endure the emotional, physical, and financial aspects of his illness. Daniel survives due in part to the personal care and attention he's able to receive thanks to his accelerated benefits, and the couple didn't have to tap into any of their existing retirement funds to help cover the cost of Daniel's illness not covered by his medical insurance. Terry retires some years later, and she and Daniel are able to enjoy several years together before Daniel eventually passes away. Because they continue to pay premiums under Daniel's policy, Terry receives $175,000 as a guaranteed life insurance benefit, which gives her the time and freedom to decide to sell the family home and move closer to her grandchildren. Terry remains a very active and healthy senior and takes the time to travel and enjoy the world. When she turns 85, Terry decides to receive a benefit under the Customer Choice Lifestyle Income Rider. She begins withdrawing $1,038 per month to help supplement her retirement income. This way, Terry doesn't have to worry about depleting her savings account or depending solely on Social Security or the dwindling balance in her 401k account. Terry passes away at age 93, and her life insurance policy, which Terry kept in force by paying the required premiums, has a remaining benefit of over $150,000, which she passes to her children. Purchasing their AGLA Choice Guarantee Plus policies allowed Daniel and Terry to do exactly what they set out to do: take care of each other and help protect their family's financial security through the later stages of their lives.
Right now, we're living in times where things are just not guaranteed, and we have some savings put aside. Social Security, of course, is something that people tend to try to rely upon. We do have a 401k. We have some savings, but right now, having experienced what we did in taking care of our parents, we found out that, there are emergencies that arise, and a rider such as this would perhaps provide that financial security that we're both looking for.
By purchasing their quality of life insurance policies and keeping them in force, paying premiums when due, and not taking loans or making any other material changes, Daniel and Terry were able to plan for their future with the coverage that could help them face the big contingencies with peace of mind. They lived with dignity in their later years and were not a burden to their children. And finally, they were able to leave a legacy to their children and grandchildren. Think about your family and how their quality of life could be impacted if you suffered a serious illness or if you were to die prematurely. Now think about how their lives could be improved with your decision to purchase life insurance you don't have to die to use.
There's no assurance of where you're going to be a year from now, 2 years from now. So I think we're thinking more, how can we prepare? How can we plan? What can we do, because life is uncertain? And that's what this rider gives me some thought, that maybe it's a little more security than we have had. Maybe it's a lot more security than we've had.
American General Life is truly changing the way Americans think about, purchase, and use life insurance. We all have dreams, and we want to protect our dreams, no matter what tomorrow may bring. Because quality of life insurance is not your standard life insurance, American General Life is specially training its agents and certifying them to sell this revolutionary coverage. Your agent has that certification and can help you decide how this innovative insurance solution may work for you and your family today, while you're probably in good health and can qualify for this important guaranteed coverage. Remember, it's your money, your insurance, your choice.